Corned beef pasta sauce is what we are making today, and we are going to pair this with some rice, avocados, and our chicken. Hello, nice to meet you. My name is Lena, and welcome to my channel. So, this was actually delicious and perfect. Before we start, please, we all have a special way we cook. You don't expect people to prepare their food like the way you want it. So in a plate, I have my tomatoes, pepper, ginger, garlic, and onion. I'm just going to blend this and put it on fire so that the water will reduce, and that is our tomato sauce. So we are going to leave it on fire for 30 minutes or 40 minutes, and this is how it looks. So perfect, and it saves time when you are cooking. Okay, yes. So what I was saying earlier, I made this pasta and I posted a short version of it, and someone was telling me that I am not supposed to add oil to my pasta when I want to cook it. I am not supposed to pour warm water and cold water on it. And I'm like, oh wow, you will talk about it. So this is my chicken, and I've added my seasoning, the one I brought you not long ago. The link will pop up there, and I will leave it in the description box as well. Okay, please try and check it out. That is pepper, ginger, garlic, some herbs, and homemade spice and herb blend, and some fish seasoning, chicken seasoning. You just add it to it and you're good to go with some olive oil. So let's prepare our pasta. I have water on fire. I've added my olive oil. I'm just going to pour the pasta in the water. So this is how the person was telling me that I am not supposed to prepare the thing. And I'm like, oye me kuana. Why there no boma kohoma so I poured it here, and I just wanted to separate. I don't want it to stick to each other. I want it single. Yes, that is why I poured the cold water on it. But he was telling me, why is it that I'm doing that? It's supposed to stick to each other. I was like, do they have the same taste? I don't understand. It's like he gave me the money to prepare the food for him. This place is a place that we all learn. It's not a place that we prepare food like the way you want. Yes. So when you watch it and you like it the way we did it, you just stick to it. Or if you don't like it, you stick to yours. That is how it is. This is our food. Oh my goodness. This is our food, not yours. Do you get it? So our chicken is ready, and I'm going to fry it. So please stop that. Stop commenting as if you always prepare like the way you want it, or there is a formula or a format for cooking. No, it's just all about creativity and how you want it. Okay, thank you very much. So please stop that. Now our chicken is almost done, and just look at that, so beautiful. If you've watched me till this point and you haven't subscribed, please, what are you waiting for? Can you please smash on the red button and the bell icon for me, so that when we upload new videos, you'll be updated. To those who are watching me on Facebook, please do not forget to follow for more. Share this video, like, and comment. So I'll go ahead and remove my chicken, then we proceed. Thank you so much once again for your time. So I'm going to take some of the oil out and then add my chopped onions to the rest. Add my tomato paste. Give it a gentle stir. Wait for a while before I add the rest of the ingredients. So after the tomato paste is ready, if you fetch it, it will be still cooking. That means that it is ready. I'll go ahead and add our tomato sauce we prepared earlier. Then give it a beautiful stir before we add the next ingredients. This was very simple to prepare, so easy, and above all, it was delicious. So I'll go ahead and add the chicken stock, okay, that we got. I didn't add all, I added some. So I'll give it a gentle stir, then keep the rest of the chicken stock for another recipe. Now I've added my seasoning I made at home and any seasoning that I want to add. Give it a stir, wait for a while, then add my corned beef. Oh my goodness. At this moment, you can imagine the aroma in my kitchen. It was so good. Now I'll add my vegetables. So remember I told you some time ago that I like crunchy vegetables, but the family don't like that. So I'll make sure the vegetable will cook very well before I add the next ingredient. Just look at that, so beautiful. I'll go ahead and add my pasta, stir it, and oh my goodness, this was good. So now I waited for some few minutes and our sauce is ready. Just look at that. The family enjoyed this with some rice, avocados, and chicken. And they really enjoyed it. Thank you so much for watching till this point. And please do not forget to like, comment, share, subscribe. Try this recipe and you will love it. If you're watching me from Facebook, thank you so much. And please share, follow for more, and comment. So we meet again. See you in the next video. Bye. I love you.